Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the host's phone number on Airbnb. So first, you may want to head over to airbnb.com. Then next is look for a specific listing. Then click on it. And from here, once you're inside the listings page, scroll down until you see the section with hosted by and the name of the host. To see their phone number, click on their profile icon. Now from here, you should be able to see the host's profile. And depending on the details they share, you should be able to see their phone number in this page. And from here, you can easily reach out to them just by clicking on the message or contact host button. In that way, you can reach out to them fast even if they didn't provide their phone number on the page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!